Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw King Boo step by step in an easy way. If you want done drawing something that you like, just follow the next steps. And now, let's go. First, we start drawing that W. That W gonna be the eyebrows. Now, below the eyes, just two circles. I always like to color in the eyes. And now, a little close, the mouth. Like this. That look perfect. Okay. It's time to the tongue. Pay attention about that shape. Perfect. Look at this. That look amazing. Let me fix this. Okay, I like it. Now the defense. Too big and too small, like this. Like I said before, I always like to cover the color of the mouth, the eyes. If you want use the material that I use in my video, just go to the description. Nice. That is perfect. Now for the boy, it's just like a circle. If you want use move the paper, is a nice idea. When you feel comfy with your arm, you can do it. Now here, the tail. Look at this. That is almost a circle. We're gonna move the paper. When I feel comfy, I'll continue drawing. By the way, that is the right arm. Left. Yes, the left. And connect that with this line. If you pay attention, King Boo is the same. The only thing that change is the crown. Just a crown, bro. And now it's time to the crown.